Hey folks, I'm Jeffrey George Parrott, and today is our club tournament. We call it our Classic. It's the end of the year, and it's the Clinch Mountain Kayak Anglers Classic. And I am going to fish out of my new 2021 Hobie Mirage Lynx. I like it already. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and I've actually topped it on my truck with my truck racks. Very lightweight. Without further ado, let's get in the water and get this thing going. All right, I'm going to start out with some top water here with a popar. I caught a lot of fish that morning on that popar, but they were all under 12 inches. This one was too, but it was fun.
I got you, buddy. Oh. I don't think you're gonna make it, old buddy. He might though. Alrighty. Nah, I don't believe you're gonna make it, bud. I think you're too little. You're just about too little. Yeah, you're about too little. I'll check you anyway. Oh, you like that thing? You will. Oh. I think you're just too little, old buddy. Too little. Like that thing though, did you? That's a better fish, I think.
These Tennessee River fish are rough and tough. It put up a pretty good little fight. Turned out it was about a 15 1/4 Kentucky spotted.
Come on, buddy, come on. Come on, get up in here in the net. Oh, stay down. Stay down. Stay down, big boy. Got you. I got you. I got you, buddy. Oh, I got you. Yeah, you'll measure. Yeah, you'll measure, bud. Well, I finally connected here on a wacky worm, 15 1/4. That's a strange looking markings there he's got. He's kind of striped up. I'm gonna get another picture here. Selfie here. All right. Get in there and I'll catch you another day. Go on. There you go. Well, you know the old saying is, you win some, you lose some, and some get rained out. This one was definitely not rained out, but anyway, I ended up one fish, but that's okay. I don't know what the problem is. Water temperature looked good, 73 degrees on the surface. This is September the 25th, 2021. I'm here at Lakeside, and this is a nice place to come to. Real quiet, laid back. I like it. And let's give it a little shot of what it looks like there. And there sits my truck waiting on me. Anyway, not making no excuses, but I'm tired. And but anyway, I fished out of this. This is the first time I've really fished a long time out of the Hobie Mirage Lynx, and it does real good. It's good and stable. There's a lot of boat traffic today, this morning anyway. Anyway, I enjoyed it, so I'm going to take out, call it a day. I'm Jeffrey George Parrott, and I'll try to put some more videos up here as the weather gets a little colder and the fish start biting just a little bit more. So long.